Welcome back to part 3 of the project. In the last video I showed you how all this stuff works. So in this video it's all hands to the deck. Let's get cracking on this cage. Right, this goes to show you what can go wrong in a project. I've been real close to it, adding bits, yeah, that looks good, and I didn't step back enough and take an overall look of the car. And let's face it, this back end looks like shit. So we can either settle for average and I can try and work around it and make it look all right, or we can do the other thing, cut it off, throw it in the bin, start again. Let's get cutting. In the bin. Right, I've had enough for today. I'm off down the pub for a bit of a cry and a beer. Right, today is a new day. Let's put yesterday behind us and that horrible cage, and let's try and make a better one. Let's get cracking. Right, the back's nearly done. We started off with this evil monobrow, and then kind of to match that shape, I came up here and then mirrored it. Kind of looks like a mouth of a fish. And we've got to the end here, and there's 3 choices I think we've got, A, B or C, on what to do. So let's have a look. Right, choice A. So we've got, comes off this corner, goes in, and you can see the tyre, which is good, which is what I wanted. If we put bigger tyres on, it'll kind of look nice. So from this view it looks all right, but from this view it doesn't. Or we've got choice B. Now choice B has got 2 curves in it, which again curves in a bit more, so you get more of this tyre shown, and it kind of replicates this, which is not too bad. Looks all right from this angle too, but I'm still unsure because this kind of shape with that in doesn't look that great. And last of all, we have choice C. So I was thinking of going to that bit instead, which kind of does this, and then we could always come up here or do something. But if you let me know in the comments below, A, B or C. I'm going to carry on the rest now, do the top, and we've got a BGW to fit on the back. And that's it for part 3 of the build. We've had our ups and downs, but I'm glad I made the decision of chopping that back end off and starting again, because it looks so much better. In the next video, we're going to get into making some gussets and a few body panels, but until then, see you again.